Hello everyone. Welcome to AnalyticsLiv channel. Today, I am going to share how to set up Google Analytics account for your website. Google Analytics' powerful tool allows businesses to track user journey and gain insights out of it to make business decisions. Google Analytics setup helps individuals and businesses to make data-driven decisions. Here are the key advantages. Comprehensive website insights. Improved decision-making. Traffic source analysis. Conversion tracking. Audience segmentation. Enhanced marketing ROI. Real-time monitoring. Customizable reports. Integration with other tools. Cost-effective. So let's dive to set it up. Let's get started. First, go to Google Analytics console. Click on Account. Give your account a name in the Account Name field. And use the Account Data Sharing setting to select the purposes for which you're willing to share your data with Google and click on Next button. The next step is to create a property in your GA4 account. Give your property a name using the Property Name field and provide your time zone and currency details. Follow the steps as guided by Google Analytics and click on Next. Next, fill out the industry category and business size fields, then click on Next. Select at least one of the business objectives. This will help GA4 to customize its default reporting to meet your business needs. Then click on Create. Accept Google's terms and conditions. The final step is to create a data stream, which will send data from your website or app to your GA4 property. Here we choose web as we are creating for the website. Mention your domain into the website URL field. Use the stream name field to name your data stream. Then click on Create Stream. A window will slide in, showing your data stream's measurement ID and details related to the account. By following these steps, we have successfully created a new Google Analytics account and basic setup. And now, you're all set to start tracking and analyzing user interactions on your website. Let's put those insights to work. For the mobile app Firebase integration guide, the link is available in the description box. Google Analytics Part 2 is just around the corner. Stay tuned for the next one.